What the hell? Seriously? Looks like somebody's come down for a barbecue and just thought, well, rather than taking our rubbish or even our blue sheet home, we'll just leave it all down here. I really just cannot understand the mentality behind this. You come to an area presumably for its natural beauty. You come down here to have a barbecue. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's lovely. Look at it. It's so natural. And then you just leave all your stuff behind like this. Anyway, inspired by the Wandering Turnip that I watched over the New Year's holiday. He did a big clean-up. I couldn't leave this here, so I've come back to get it cleaned up. So nobody else has to stumble across this absolute mess. Okay, let's get to work cleaning this up. Okay, so that's it cleaned up. We've got one full rubbish bag of just mixed yakisoba, gummy. Still not even children here. Can you imagine? This is the example you set to your kids. Just unbelievable. One bag of recyclables, cans, big Monster fans by the looks of it, and three big bottles of water. 2 bits of wood worm burned, and a huge blue sheet. Now minus my bag and the tripod down there. We are back to normal.